Evolution Power Tools family of chop saws. These saws are designed with multi-material cutting technology. One saw, one blade, cuts all. These saws utilise Evolution's multi-material cutting technology, which work alongside the chop saw's powerful high-torque motor and gearbox for long-life multi-material cutting. One saw, one blade, cuts all. Whether it's the highly portable 185mm Rage 4, an ideal solution for you plumbers or electricians, or the beefy 355mm R355 CPS. If you work with metals, wood and plastics, then the R355 CPS chop saw is the ideal big-bladed, stand-mounted chop saw for your workshop. Light enough to be able to move between the works van and the job site, and powerful enough to tackle big cuts in heavy-duty materials, the R355 CPS is perfect for plastics, wood, composites, as well as non-ferrous metals and mild steel. Both these saws cut with less heat than a bandsaw and are safer than abrasive wheel cutting. I'm going to run you through the features and specs of the R355 CPS, but if you require further information on this little guy, the Rage 4, please visit the Evolution Power Tools website for the full breakdown. Accurate, for the ability to achieve precision cutting on your wood, metals and trade materials. Reliable, for long life tool durability on the job site. Powerful, with the torque to cut through even the toughest site materials. Solid tantalised fence post or mild steel rectangular tube, this saw will cut through these like butter and leave a quality smooth finish ready to work with. The saw has been designed with a solid cast aluminium base, which is ideal for securing all of your workpieces. In order to get ready for the cut, simply release the locking pin situated here so the head lifts into position. Now you're ready for action. The R355 CPS comes supplied with a 355mm multi-material cutting carbide tip blade, which will cut your wood, plastics, aluminium, metals and even nail-embedded wood squarely and accurately every time. With accuracy, reliability and power at the forefront of the design, you can be sure this chop saw makes easy work of cutting all manner of trade materials, cleaner, faster and safer than several other methods of cutting. At 90 degrees, this saw can cut all these shapes of materials here, to these specifications, and cutting the metals faster and cleaner than an abrasive saw. When you need to swap out your materials, there's a handy quick release vise. There's a V-block adapter included, which is really useful when working with square tube or pipe. Slide the adapter onto the vise like so, and use the groove to secure your material. The saw features a 3-position fence here. The fence can be moved to any of the 3 marked positions along the base to suit cutting both the larger and smaller materials. To move the fence, simply take the Allen key found integrated here, remove the bolts and locate in the desired position, and the saw is again ready for use. If you need to achieve mitre cuts, there is a locking pin here. You can set it to the desired angle and secure back in place. This saw can cut all shapes of materials at 45 degrees, to these specs. There are also clear angle markers visible here on the base. In addition to its cutting features, there's a built-in carry handle, which makes transportation around the workplace effortless. The trigger has been designed for all types of users in mind, meaning anyone can use it whether a left or right-handed user. You've now seen the Evolution multi-material blade in action. There are also material-specific carbide blades available for both this and the Rage 4. There is this diamond blade, ideal for clean, dry cutting on brick, stone, paving and tiles. It gives a great finish. If you want to turn your chop saw into a fantastic portable workstation, then you should consider the Evolution Power Tools Chop Saw Stand, which has universal fittings, meaning it will be compatible with most leading chop saw brands. Working with long, heavy steel tubes? Now you can take your chop saw anywhere, with the sturdy and robust chop saw stand for versatile, portable cutting, which can support up to 496 pounds. Let's not forget, both these chop saws and the chop stand are backed up by Evolution's best-in-class 3-year warranty, meaning we're confident they will serve you well for the long term. Evolution's family of multi-material cutting chop saws. The range of blades available and optional accessories enhance the workflow with your tool. All these quality tools are designed with accuracy, reliability and power, whether on the job site or for DIY.